Normally, every person wish to have a car at least once in a lifetime. Most of the people likes the different shapes of the car, but they are actually not aware about the names of the different shapes and models. Hello and welcome back to Motor Gears, and our today's topic is the different types of cars and its names. So, let's begin. We are going to talk about 6 types of cars with its names. Number 1. SUV. The full form of SUV is Sports Utility Vehicle. This type of car has more power than the sedans and hatchbacks. As you know, sports is a term which represents the power of the engine, and normally, this car can be driven on any types of roads. Hence, the SUV is specially made for off-roading. Number 2. MPV. The full form of MPV is Multi-Purpose Vehicle. Normally, this type of cars are used for commercial as well as for personal use. This type of vehicle is also used by a large families because it's provide more seats as compared to sedans. Number 3. Sedans. Sedans are one of the most luxurious cars of all times. Normally, there is a problem to find out actually it's a sedan or it's a coupe. Sedan is generally means a 4-door car with an engine in front and a trunk in back. Number 4. Hatchback. Nowadays, hatchback cars are getting popular because people are getting aware of cars with sedans are slightly expensive than hatchback cars. And also there is a lot of ample boot space in a hatchback. Hatchback is a car with a hatch-type rear door. Number 6. Jeeps. Jeeps are one of the oldest form of cars, just like sedans. Jeep is sometimes also called as a light utility vehicle. It's quicker than sedans, just like SUV. Meanwhile, SUV and Jeeps both are for off-roading, but Jeep is lightweight as compared to a SUV. So, these were the 6 types of vehicles. If this video was little informative, then subscribe Motor Gears and also press the bell so you can get each fresh video on your screen. Till then, stay tuned.